students, welcome back to our today's class. See, yesterday already we have taken the exercise C. What we have taught in the exercise C, there is a small story. We are just going through the helping of the which one proper nouns, and they also has given to us clue in a bracket. So we had completed the story. So also we had taken the common noun. So what is the definition of common noun? Also we had seen. Again I am just revise a noun that gives to us to a generally calls to a common name. हम generally ऐसे मतलब क्या बोलेंगे उसको, the nouns that give us a general name, generally that we have called general name to the people, to particular persons, animals and things. तो उन सभी को we are calling the common nouns, है ना. Also we have I have given the example dancer, painters, like singers, choreographers, teachers. It's a common name. Okay. So on the basis of the common noun, they have given to us 10 examples, 10 questions that we should solve the common noun with the proper noun. Okay. So let's we start. See, just look at on the blackboard. I have written the 6. Firstly, we have taken the 6 examples. Now we will continue 4. See, just concentrate and listen properly what they have given us. Underline the common noun. What we should do? Underline the common nouns and encircle the proper noun in this sentence. मतलब हमें क्या करना है? In the sentences, when we found the common and proper noun, we should underline the common noun and we have to circle the proper noun. समझ में आएगा? बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. यहाँ पे हमको सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं, हमें उस सेंटेंस में से हमको क्या फाइंड आउट, क्या पिकअप करना है. We just pick the common and proper noun. Okay. See, first one is Sunday is the first day of the week. क्या है? Sunday है जो पूरे हफ्ता का क्या है? First day. Obviously, so we found the Sunday is a proper noun and we put the week in a common. Obviously हम बोलेंगे this week. But ma'am, in which particular day of this week? है ना? Understood? For example, it's a month, but which month? Obviously, we put month in a common name and January, February we should put in a which proper nouns. Understood? So, second one, Mahesh is sitting on the bench. Again, what we have seen, क्या दिख रहा है हमको? Second इसमें Mahesh. So, obviously, Mahesh is a particular person name. Means we will put Mahesh in a proper name is a sitting on the bench. So the bench is a common noun. So many text bench. The Nile is the longest river in Africa. Each sentence में how many proper names we have seen? The Nile is particular the name of the river and the Africa. Africa is also proper noun. So what is the common? It's river. So we should put the underline into the common noun. River, nadi. In our country, in the whole world, there is so many rivers, but we have to know the particular name. It is the mentioned the Nile Nadi, where it is a Africa. Understood? So in the third sentence, we found two proper nouns, which they are. The first one Nile, second one is Africa. Understood? Okay. Come on, let's move on. Fourth, Rahul is my brother. He is a doctor. So Rahul is my brother. मतलब particular they has given to us the name of the person Rahul. So that's why we put Rahul in a which nouns in a proper nouns and doctor. Obviously we should put the underline because doctor have a common. So many doctor, they are not mentioned the particular specialty in his doctor. So many doctors like gynae है, it's a dental, eye specialist, है ना, like this. So fifth one, Birla Mandir is a famous temple in New Delhi. So is a mention that Birla Mandir is also proper noun because they are names, the place names. So we found the Birla Mandir in a proper noun. New Delhi is a city name. That's why we also circle in New Delhi. And the left one is common noun is a temple because so many temples they didn't, मैंने टेम्पल में हमको पर्टिकुलर दिया है कि बिरला मंदिर, they mentioned the बिरला. Understood? So we found in the fifth sentence we found two proper noun and we got a one temple. Understood? Next one, sixth one is a Mahesh. Mahesh bought a blanket from Ludhiana. Mahesh brought a blanket from Ludhiana. See, brought means B-O-U-G-H-T. Brought is a past tense of bring. Bring मतलब लाना, है ना? तो महेश ने कहाँ से लाया था? It's a past tense. I told you it's a past tense of bring. तो महेश ने कहाँ से ब्लैंकेट्स लाया था? From Ludhiana. Ludhiana is the proper noun. So obviously in also the sixth one sentence we found Ludhiana and Mahesh, we put the circle in a proper noun. So okay, आए समझ में? और ठीक है, तो हम ब्लैंकेट को दे सकते हैं कॉमन और ब्लैंकेट से पर्टिकुलर उसको नाम जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना सोलापुरी, कोल्हापुरी, ये ब्लैंकेट है लाइक दिस, है ना. अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि ब्लैंकेट इज बट वी फाउंड द महेश एंड द लुधियाना इज अ व्हाट, इट्स अ प्रॉपर नाउन. ओके, सो आई विल गिव यू 5 minutes. You just look at your textbook. If you are not underlined and not in circle, look at this blackboard. You just circle and underline your textbook. Come on, I will give you 5 minutes. Come on, hurry up. Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday we should put in a proper noun. The week is a put in a common noun. Second one, Mahesh is sitting on the bench. Mahesh. Okay, so Sunday is the first day of the week. So Sunday we put in a proper noun and the week is put in a common noun. Okay, so second one is Mahesh is sitting on the bench. So Mahesh is, we are putting in a proper noun, the bench, and a common noun. Third one is the Nile is the longest river in Africa. So in this sentence we have found two proper nouns. First in the Nile, second is a Africa. Third one as river because river is the common name. So we put river and we should underline the river. Okay. The next one, fourth. In this sentence, Rahul is the proper noun and doctor is a common noun. That's why in the fourth sentence we put the circle. We put in a circle his proper name is Rahul and we put underline the doctor because it's a common name. Fifth one, Birla Mandir is a famous temple in New Delhi. In this sentence also we found the two proper nouns which what it is, it's a Birla Mandir in New Delhi and the temple we should put in a common noun because so many temples. In the sixth one, Mahesh bought a blanket from Ludhiana. Okay, so I told you what is the bought. Bought means laya tha. Bought is a past circle to Mahesh and if अगर हमको लगता है कि ब्लैंकेट लिख सकते हैं तो मैंने वहां पे कर दिया है। आपको नहीं लगता तो मत करो, बट हो सकता है कि ब्लैंकेट इज अ कॉमन है ना। So these are 6 we solved. So we will see the next one. Smita is an intelligent girl. One second. You just write it down. See, जिस तरह से मैंने बताया आप अभी मतलब अपने आप से अंडरलाइन और कॉमन नाउन में अंडरलाइन और प्रॉपर नाउन इन सर्कल कर सकते हो इफ यू नो द आंसर्स, बिकॉज आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड द कॉमन नाउन एंड प्रॉपर नाउन. So we have to write. It's the 7th one. Smita is an intelligent girl. So Smita we found it's a person name, that's why we put in a circle of Smita. We found a proper name. Girl is a common name because it's a girl. Which girl? Intelligent girl, beautiful girl है ना. So that's why intelligent girl भी बोल सकते हैं. गर्ल को भी हमने किस में डाला है? कॉमन नाउन में डाला है. So 8 December is the last month. December is the last month of the year. It is the same question we have seen in a first, like this week Sunday is the first day of the week. Same activities यहाँ पे year के बारे में बोला है. So obviously we know that December is a proper noun and the year is a common noun because years साल, but कौन सा साल? Is the December. मतलब दिसंबर ये पूरे साल का कौन सा महीना है? The last month, आखिरी का last one. Okay, now have you read the book? Have you read the book? क्या नाम लिखा है बुक का? Alice Adventure in a Wonderland. Alice Adventure in Wonderland. So Wonderland. अच्छा, put in a question mark. क्या बोला है कि have you read? कभी आपने एलिस एडवेंचर इन वंडरलैंड की बुक पढ़ी है क्या? तो क्या बोला है? द बुक इज अ कॉमन नाउन एंड स्पेशली द मेंशन एलिस एडवेंचर इन वंडरलैंड. सो ऑब्वियसली वी पुट इन अ प्रॉपर नाउन क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्रॉपरली किसी थिंग्स का नाम दिया, पर्टिकुलर किसी बुक का नाम दिया और बुक्स इज अ कॉमन नाउन है. कॉमन नाउन में दिया इट इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन. ये समझ में आ गया आपको? यहाँ पे हमको देखना है कि द बुक इज a common noun and Alice Adventure in the Wonderland. You should put in circle because it's a proper noun. Okay, 10th one. I saw again is the past tense of see. देखा था, देख लिया. I saw roses and tulips. I saw roses. Roses is a flowers name. Roses and tulip. Tulip is also flowers name. I saw roses and tulips in the children's park. In the children's park. So much easy. ये हमने कहा देखा बोल रही है कि I saw, मैंने रोजेस और टुलिप, गुलाब के और टुलिप के जो फूल है वो कहाँ पे देखे हैं? चिल्ड्रंस पार्क में देखे हैं. So they mention they has given us the roses and tulip, particularly ये flowers के नाम है ना? So that's why we encircle two proper nouns like roses and tulips, the children parks. हम बोल सकते हैं कि the children parks है ना? तो ये क्या है? particular parks क्या है ये? It's a common noun. Understood? आया समझ में? So that's why I told you it's a fully basis upon these questions, these sentences, the common noun. अगर हमें उन्होंने कॉमन नाउन के बारे में बताया तो ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू डू द एक्सरसाइजेस ऑन दिस. ओके, सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द एक्सरसाइज डी. वी हैव टू कंप्लीटेड ऑल द 10 sentences. So tomorrow we will take the exercise E, F and we will take the collective nouns. Okay, so till then I hope today's lecture you all the understood what I am teaching. Okay, जो भी मैंने आपको पढ़ाया एक्सरसाइज कॉमन नाउन के बारे में, उसके आधार पे हमने क्या लिया, आज 10 सेंटेंस लिए हैं और आई होप आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. सो वी विल सी tomorrow's lecture. We will take the exercise E and F. So till then, take care students. Please stay and healthy. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.